Welcome to this detailed pharmacology lecture on hydrocortisone succinate injection 100 mg. Hydrocortisone is a life-saving corticosteroid widely used in emergency and critical care settings. In this video, we will cover its pharmacology, dosing, routes, indications, adverse effects, contraindications, precautions, drug interactions, monitoring parameters, and important clinical pearls. Generic and brand names. Hydrocortisone sodium succinate is the injectable, water-soluble form of hydrocortisone. It is marketed under brand names such as Solocortef, Hydrocort, Hyzone, and Cortez. The succinate ester allows rapid intravenous administration. Drug classification. Hydrocortisone belongs to the glucocorticoid class of corticosteroids. It is a short-acting steroid with both glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid activity, making it especially useful in adrenal insufficiency and shock. Dosage form and strength. Hydrocortisone succinate is supplied as a sterile powder that must be reconstituted before use. The most commonly used strength in emergencies is the 100 mg vial. Route of administration. Hydrocortisone succinate can be administered intravenously or intramuscularly. Intravenous administration is preferred in emergencies because of its rapid onset of action. Dose: adult emergency dosing. In acute situations such as adrenal crisis or shock, hydrocortisone is given as a 100 mg intravenous bolus, followed by 50 to 100 mg every 6 to 8 hours depending on the clinical condition. Pediatric dose. In pediatric patients, hydrocortisone is dosed based on body weight, usually 2 to 4 mg per kilogram intravenously, with a maximum of 100 mg per dose. Mechanism of action. Hydrocortisone enters cells and binds to intracellular glucocorticoid receptors. This complex moves to the nucleus and alters gene transcription, leading to reduced inflammatory mediators and suppressed immune responses. Pharmacological actions. Hydrocortisone reduces inflammation, suppresses allergic reactions, stabilizes capillaries, and helps maintain vascular tone, which is critical in shock states. Pharmacokinetics. Hydrocortisone succinate has a rapid onset of action when given intravenously. It is metabolized in the liver and excreted by the kidneys, with a relatively short duration of action. Indications. Hydrocortisone injection is indicated in adrenal crisis, anaphylaxis, septic shock, acute asthma exacerbations, cerebral edema, and severe allergic reactions. Side effects. Short-term use may cause hyperglycemia and fluid retention. Prolonged use can lead to immune suppression, osteoporosis, and Cushingoid features. Contraindications. Hydrocortisone is contraindicated in systemic fungal infections and in patients with known hypersensitivity to corticosteroids. Precautions. Caution is required in patients with diabetes, hypertension, peptic ulcer disease, or ongoing infections, as corticosteroids can worsen these conditions. Drug-drug interactions. Hydrocortisone increases the risk of GI bleeding with NSAIDs, causes potassium loss with diuretics, reduces antidiabetic drug efficacy, and interferes with vaccine response. Drug-food interaction. There are no major acute food interactions, but a high-salt diet can worsen fluid retention during steroid therapy. Monitoring parameters. Patients receiving hydrocortisone should be monitored for blood pressure, blood glucose, electrolyte levels, and signs of infection. Special populations. Hydrocortisone can be used in pregnancy when necessary. Dose adjustment and close monitoring are required in children and elderly patients. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more detailed pharmacology lectures.